Cape Fear traffic, Jabiru 570 Bravo Lima is departing runway 23, departing to the west along the beach, Cape Fear. And good morning, folks. This is the first in a while. We're using the GoPro inside the cockpit, and therefore you're going to be able to hear the communications. Come along for the ride.
Cape Fear, Sierra 3 Tango Alpha, turning left crosswind, runway 23, Cape Fear. Cape Fear traffic, Sierra 3 Tango Alpha, still left downwind for runway 23, Cape Fear.
Cape Fear traffic, Jabiru 570 Bravo Lima is off 23, turning to the west along the beach. I'm at 800, Cape Fear. Wilmington approach, Jabiru 570 Bravo Lima.
Jabiru 570 Bravo Lima, Wilmington, good morning to everyone.
I'm 2 miles west of Cape Fear at 1,600, request flight following Myrtle Beach, 3,000, aircraft is a JAB-4.
Jabiru 0 Bravo Lima, squawk 7057.
7057.
Altimeter 3003.
3003, VFR on course 570 Bravo Lima.
ILS approach, runway 18 in use. Advise, there's a Golf. Myrtle Beach is Golf, 1053 observations, wind 1906, visibility 10, ceiling 1,400 foot. Temperature 28, dew point 26, altimeter 303. Expect ILS approach, runway 18 in use. Advise, there's a Golf. Myrtle Beach is Golf, 10.
Approach 570 Bravo Lima 3000. I'd like to speak with Myrtle as soon as possible to check their current ceiling.
370 Bravo Lima, roger. At 370 Bravo Lima, Myrtle Beach's current ceiling is broken at 1400.
I have that via their ATIS, but I'm wondering if there might be an update that the controller could give me.
Air 570 Bravo Lima, contact Myrtle Beach approach 119.2.
Myrtle on 119.2, 570 Bravo Lima, thank you. Myrtle approach, November 570 Bravo Lima 3000. I have Golf, but wondering if you have an update on the ceiling.
570 Bravo Lima, Myrtle Beach approach, Myrtle altimeter 3003. I do not have an update.
Okay, so you're showing 1400 broken?
Number 0 Bravo Lima, that is affirmative. I did have, actually, I don't have an update on the actual basis, but I did have somebody come in and get the visual approach at 2000.
Okay, so they're saying ceilings are 2000?
They didn't give me an actual report, but they did get the field, so it is listing.
Okay, thank you. Approach 570 Bravo Lima. At this time, I'm going to request a practice RNAV 18 with vectors, and as we get closer, I'll decide to either, depending on the ceilings, request a pop-up IFR clearance or just return to Southport.
Number 0 Bravo Lima, copy, thanks for that. Number 0 Bravo Lima, is this for a full stop?
Negative, so it would be, in any case, a touch and go in returning to Southport.
Number 0 Bravo Lima, copy, after completion approach, fly room ahead and maintain VFR at 2000, return this frequency.
Okay, upon completion, runway heading 2000 and return to this frequency, 570 Bravo Lima. Approach 570 Bravo Lima. I have decided just to return to Southport at this time.
Number 0 Bravo Lima, copy, maintain VFR, advise weather at Cape Fear.
570 Bravo Lima.
Myrtle Beach Bridge, good morning, Skylane 9er 872 Echo, level 10,000.
9872 Echo, Myrtle approach, Myrtle altimeter 3003.
3003, 7 seconds.
Number 0 Bravo Lima, do you have the weather at Cape Fear and were they reporting VFR or you want to talk to Wilmington?
I'd like to talk to Wilmington. I just took off from there, 7 minutes ago, and it was very much VFR. I will check on them right now and report.
Number 0 Bravo Lima, remain in this frequency.
Remain in this frequency.
1-9er, 0. Departure, Skylane 5131 November, off Grand Strand, climbing through 1000 for 4,500.
On the west ramp. Please
Air 5131 November, Myrtle departure to contact, maintain VFR on course.
Services required.
Maintain VFR on course, Skylane 310.
Number 0 Bravo Lima, contact Wilmington approach 118.25.
11825, 7 Bravo Lima.
Cape Fear Regional Jetport, automated weather observation. 1152 Zulu. Wind 230 at 8 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature.
Checkmate 570 Bravo Lima. Traffic just off at 23 at Southport. It looks like possibly westbound out of 800. Radar services terminated. Squawk VFR. Frequency change approved.
570 Bravo Lima. Thank you. Cape Fear traffic, Jabru 570 Bravo Lima is 8 west at 3000. I'll be crossing midfield, entering a left downwind, runway 23, full stop, Cape Fear. Cape Fear traffic, Jabru is over midfield at 1100. We'll enter a left downwind, runway 23, full stop, Cape Fear. Cape Fear traffic, Jabru turning left base, runway 23, full stop, Cape Fear. Cape Fear traffic, Jabru turning final, runway 23, full stop, Cape Fear.